What up, what up, what up, folks? You already know it's DJ Dr. Watts. I'm back here with another unboxing, and this unboxing is going to lead to cash flow. I am going to show you how to start your own incense business where you can sell them online, or you can sell them on the OfferUp app, or you can sell them through Facebook Marketplace. Get you a customer base and start supplementing your income and move to the point where your income is 100% facilitated by you and not by your job. I'm gonna open this box up. We're gonna see what came in here, and if you would like to get some, I'm gonna give you a link where you can order. Tell you right now, I'm gonna help you if you have a wholesale license. If you don't, then you better order from someone who does, so you can get a better price. If you would like to order, just give me a holler. So we fixing to open this up. Let's see what we got in here. I'm already smelling something. Gotta be careful. Smells good. So with this one, 1,000 cones. So you get 10 bags, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 10. I'll put these up here so you can see them. Yep, get back up here. Okay. 5. 10 bags of incense, 10 different cutting oils, and 1 bottle of the solvent. Well, this is the oil, and this is the cutting agent that you would put in there. You wouldn't use those full strength. So what you would do is, I'm gonna do a batch, and I've done a lot of research, and I'm gonna do a batch, and I'm gonna see how they come. These are gonna be soaked for 24 hours. So I'm gonna come back, and we're gonna choose a scent or two, and we're gonna soak them, and then we're gonna come back, and we're gonna see how they do 24 hours later. All right, internet hustlers, you already know DJ Dr. Watch. Finding some way to leverage your money. Find a way to sell something to somebody. We are in a new economy. Artificial intelligence and robots are gonna be facilitating jobs that humans used to have. Just face it, get ready for it, get used to it, and find some kind of way to sell something to someone that's unique, of high quality, and that will make them just brag to their friends about it. I'm DJ Dr. Watts, showing you how to start your own at-home incense business. We'll be back in the next video when I'm gonna soak these, and I'm gonna show you how they go. All right, peace. Because it is. We'll take that one. And these are unscented. So I'm gonna tie these back up. All right. Now they say 70-30. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 10 drops total, 10 tablespoons total. So I'm gonna do 5 tablespoons of this and 5 tablespoons of that in each one. And you can reuse these over. So that's 1. I may not, no, I don't think I'm gonna need to do 5. So that's 2 in there. And I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of that in the other one. So let's do 1 in there and 1 in there. All right. Remember, everything you're touching is potential addition or subtraction from your cash flow. So treat it as such. And we're gonna do 2 drops of this one. This one, I don't know what I'm gonna call this one, but I'll tell you. Now these are gonna have to soak for 24 hours. So 1 and 2. Right. Put this back in here. I like to keep things neat. Let me wipe this out. You know what? I think that I'm gonna wipe, when I wipe this out, I'm gonna mix these two together because I think it's gonna be quite a unique fragrance. And I'll tell you what we're gonna call this one. And I will have this one for sale in the store. You can, these are handmade by me. And I'm gonna give you quality. That's why I outsource. These are Indian oils. I put these, they're gonna put these in, so I'm gonna put these. And you know what? I better label this while I'm thinking about it. Trying to find something to put in here. I may edit this out and I may just leave it. Hold on, let me go to the office and get something. This is a good distance. Oh, here it is. Test on the mic, because I'm usually right up on the receiver, so I'm walking around here. Got laundry going. You know how we do it. Wipe out taking care of business. I'm here taking care of this, handling this. Ooh. That's how we do. Uh-oh. My body pack came off. Hold on. Okay. I'm going to tell you the names, and I'm just labeling these, so I'll have them. Let me put this over here. Now after I soak these for 24 hours, and then I'm gonna, now something that was interesting, when I got through, I wiped this off over here, so I'm gonna wipe this one off over here, see what it smells like. I like that. I think it needs to be a little bit less of one and a little bit more of the other. Okay, let's put these in here. Want everybody to fall over. Can I zoom that in? These in the shot more. How's that? Okay, here we go. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm gonna put like 2 more in each one. And we want to make sure that these soak for 24 hours. I'm not gonna try to infuse the soap in them, the oil in them by vacuuming it. I do have a chemical background. I want these to just naturally. Okay, get in there. We want everybody completely soaked. Let me do the other hand. We don't want to transfer the fragrance. On to the next. All right, now we're going to use this fragrance over that's in here, and we're going to do some more. We're not going to throw those away. So we're going to come back in 24 hours. And we're gonna have to set these out to dry. Now when I sell these, I'm probably not gonna sell them dry because I want to tell people that they can put these out and use them before they burn them, and just let them that's the added value of having these. They're not going to be dry, they're not going to be crispy, they're going to be ready for you to use. Sorry, the camera's crooked here. They're going to be ready for you to use, and you'll be able to set them out and let them aerate your house and fragrance your house, and then, or wherever you are, and then you can light them. And remember, you can use these for smoke odors or home odors, for meditation purposes, yoga, whatever you would need them. These oils are made with good energy. For me, from my hands, just the blessings to all people, all walks of life, everyone. This is just love to everybody. This is a joy of mine because I've been loving incense from a child. And it is just like a dream to be able to offer these of such high quality, because I didn't want to buy something dry, something I wanted to put my hands on it and make it, because I love what I'm doing. I love my customers, and I want them to feel welcome and to get value for their money, 100% value. So showing you how to start your own incense business. I'm DJ Dr. Watts. You already know, internet hustlers. Get your grind on and start making some money. We are in a new era. The job is becoming a distant thing of the past unless you are a robot. If you are a human, you better find some way of commerce. I use as many forms as I can. I'm DJ Dr. Watts, and I'm out. Let's do it, internet hustlers. Boom.